Bitso Exchange App. The pros, the cons. The Bitso Exchange app is a leading cryptocurrency platform in Latin America. Most people get this wrong by assuming it only supports Bitcoin and Ethereum, but the surprising truth is that Bitso provides a wide variety of coins, local fiat integration, and robust trading tools. Pros include support for multiple cryptocurrencies, instant fiat deposits via local payment methods, and a beginner-friendly interface. The app allows buying, selling, and storing crypto with strong security measures like two-factor authentication and cold storage. Bitso also offers competitive fees and regulatory compliance in multiple countries, giving users peace of mind. Cons include limited advanced trading features compared to global exchanges. Availability depends on local regulations, and some international users may face restrictions. In conclusion, the Bitso Exchange app is ideal for users in Latin America who want a secure, accessible platform for crypto trading and storage. It's beginner-friendly, reliable, and supports local currencies, making it easy to enter the crypto market.